So, good day everyone. So, this is our third session. So, ang gagawin lang natin ulit is basahin mo yung story and then mamaya may ipapa-activity ako sa'yo. Tsaka ako na lang i-explain kapag natapos mo nang basahin to, okay? So, go.
The singer sang Nilotam, an imaginative adventures. King was restless by nature and wanted to travel to far away place. He loves hunting with
Wait. Places.
places.
Pag may mga nakikita kang period or comma, mag-stop ka onte then tuloy, ganon. So, places.
He loved hunting wild animals. So when he heard that there were stags in the jungles of Tanjung Bentang, which were not easy to hunt, he was excited and took with him a great fleet of ships to Tanjung Bentang. When the king arrived upon the island, he and his subjects had hunting expedition that lasted several hours, slaying many wild and savage beasts, but no stags. This disappointed the king, for he had a sense of unfulfillment in his heart. Suddenly, a large stag
Darted.
darted out of the bushes form of front of Sang Nila Utama, saving the king, giving the king a shock. But the king drew his silver daggers and he hurled it at the stags, only grazing the animals. The stags began to run, and the king pursued it those days. It was either you fit or nothing. The stags ran through the jungles and darted up a knoll. The king followed the stags up the hill upon reaching summit. The stags was nowhere to be seen. There was a large rock, so the king climbed it and looked the land and sea is where
Spread
spread out around him. In the distance, he saw a stretch of white sand, an island. Sang Nila Utama was fascinated by the sight of the island. He turned to one of his subjects who had followed him. "What is the name of the island?" The subjects looked into the distance and smiled. "That is Temasek, Your Highness." "Then we are going there." The king ordered his fleet to set sail, and they began on their journey towards the island. Suddenly, the once clear blue sky were covered with black clouds. Rain,
Heavy.
heavy rain
Poured.
poured,
Poured.
poured from the and strong
Burst.
burst of wind
Threaten. Threaten.
threatened to tear the ships apart. The ships carrying Samuel Otama was in the very eye of the storm. The crew lowered the sails, started to bail the water from the ships and get most of the cargo for jettisoning. However, an idea came to the king had
Head.
had had remembered a story his grandfather told him how one of his
Ancestors.
ancestor became
Became.
the king and that his crown was the only thing which belonged to his ancestor. He removed his crown
Immediately. And
and
threw.
threw it into the sea. All at once the storms broke
Broke.
as suddenly as it started. The sky began to clear and the crew gave
Gave.
a shout of joy and set sails once more to the island of Temasek. When the king stepped upon the island, a creature stepped out of nowhere, and the king and his men were struck by the magnificent creature. It was large and moved with grace. It had a black head covered in a furry
Mane.
mane, with whitish neck and a red body. When the king drew his bow and
Bow.
and arrow, the beast
Stared.
stared back at him with golden eyes and let out of the deafening roar before leaping in the jungle. The sort what sort of animal was that the king asked? A wise old man stepped forth. I have seen animal in the park trees from the far west.
Perhaps.
This is a singer, but I wonder how it got all the way here. This must be a
Must.
the must this must be a great place if it breeds such a beautiful animals. Let us live here of the island of Singapore.
Okay, thank you. So, ngayon, yung sinasabi kong activity sa'yo kanina is bali 20 items. 10 items sa spelling and then mamaya magja-jumble letter tayo para yung sa brainstorming. Yun yung papagawa ko sa'yo. Okay? Jumbled letter. Madali lang to. Basta naintindihan mo yung binasa mo. Okay? Nakaano ka na? So, okay. Spelling muna ha. Spelling. So, number 1, imaginative. Imaginative. Okay na? Okay, number 2, adventurous. 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 Tapos na? Okay. Number 3, magnificent. 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 So, number 4, jettisoning. 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 Okay, number 5. Number 5, disappointed. 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 So, number 6, threaten. 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 Number 8, immediately. 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 So, number 9. Number 9 na. Okay. Number 9, ancestor. Ancestor. Anong number ka na? Ay, parang mali. Dapat number 9, ancestor yun. Wait lang nga, patingin. Imaginative, adventurous, magnificent, jettisoning, disappointed. Ay, mali. Dapat fascinated. Okay. Okay na yan. Ilagay mo din. Ancestor. Ancestor. So, number 9, fascinated. 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 So, number 10. Number 10. Number 10, portraits. 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 So, next is the jumbled letter. Para mag-brainstorming tayo. Kung may naintindihan ka ba o may mga naalala ka bang words galing sa iyong binasa. Okay? Una, to. Okay, number 2. So, okay na. Oh. Go. Okay, next. Okay, next. Take your time para isipin kung ano ba to. Okay, done. So, next. So, nakikita ko naman mukhang may mga natatandaan kang words sa pinasa mo. Next. Okay, next. Okay na? Okay, next. What? Okay. Number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Okay, next. Lang, sige. Isipin mo lang. Okay, eto muna. Oh. Last. Okay na? So, okay na. So, okay na? So, yung takip. So, thank you. So, thank you for this session. Next, may gagawin na naman tayo ulit para sa first session. Sana, hope na may naintindihan ka naman sa ating ginagawa, may mga natandaan ka namang words, at sana may mas matutunan ka pa. Okay?